The Kia Sportage looks familiar on the surface, but underneath that dual-screen dash and confident exterior sits a genuinely deep list of features most owners never come close to using. Dealerships hand over the keys, run through the basics, and send you on your way, leaving an entire layer of comfort, safety, and off-road capability completely untouched. Some of these functions are buried 3 menus deep in the settings. Some are sitting right on the steering wheel and just get ignored out of habit. And a few are the kind of thing that, once you know about them, make you wonder how you ever drove without them. Here are 20 of them, one at a time, so you can go check your own Sportage the moment this ends. By the time we're through this list, you'll likely find at least a few features you've been sitting on top of for months without ever knowing they were there. Function number 1. Terrain mode on X Pro trims. The Sportage X Pro and X Pro Prestige trims include dedicated terrain settings for mud, sand, and snow, tuning throttle response and traction control specifically for each surface. Drivers who leave the vehicle in the default on-road setting lose real capability the moment pavement turns to gravel or slush, essentially driving a capable off-road-ready SUV as if it were a basic front-wheel drive commuter car. The result is more wheel spin and less confidence, exactly when it matters most, whether that's a snowy driveway or a rutted forest road. Selecting the correct terrain mode through the dial or touchscreen before conditions get rough lets the drivetrain actually do what it was engineered to do, and it takes only a couple of seconds to switch once you know where to look, making it one of the easiest capability upgrades to access on the entire vehicle. Function number 2. Highway Driving Assist 2. Sportage trims equipped with this system can manage steering and speed together on mapped highways, including automatic speed adjustments for upcoming curves using navigation data. Owners who never activate it end up doing all the work manually on long stretches, where the system is fully capable of sharing the load, adding up to noticeably more fatigue by the end of a long road trip. Turning on adaptive cruise together with lanes centering through the steering wheel controls engages it, and the navigation-based curve slowdown in particular is a feature most drivers don't even realize exists until they hit a highway off-ramp and the car eases off the throttle on its own, which can genuinely catch a first-time user by surprise the first time it happens. Function number 3. Remote Smart Parking Assist. This feature lets the Sportage pull itself into or out of a tight parking spot using the key fob while the driver stands outside the vehicle. Drivers who don't know this exists keep avoiding the same narrow garage spot day after day, or wrestle with doors that barely open in cramped parking lots, sometimes parking farther away just to avoid the hassle entirely. Holding the designated button on the key fob a safe distance from the vehicle activates the maneuver, and it becomes especially valuable in home garages where there's barely enough clearance to open a door once the car is parked, or in packed shopping center lots where every inch of clearance counts. Function number 4. Digital Key 2 with ultra-wideband. On newer Sportage trims, the digital key uses ultra-wideband technology, so the vehicle can sense the phone's precise location and unlock automatically as the driver approaches, without needing to touch the phone or a button. Owners unaware of this rely on the traditional key fob out of habit and miss out on a genuinely more seamless entry experience, one that starts feeling completely normal within just a few days of using it. Setting up the digital key through the Kia Connect app and confirming ultra-wideband support on the specific phone model unlocks this more advanced version of hands-free entry, which works noticeably faster than the standard proximity-based digital key on older models. Function number 5. Dual Curved Panoramic Display. The combined 12.3-inch instrument cluster and infotainment display is more customizable than most owners realize, with multiple layout options for gauges, navigation, and media. Drivers who never explore the display settings are stuck with the factory default layout for the life of the vehicle, even when a different arrangement might suit their driving style better, whether that means prioritizing trip data, a larger map, or a simplified gauge cluster. Cycling through the available cluster themes and screen layouts through the settings menu can bring more relevant information front and center, depending on whether navigation, trip data, or safety systems matter most to that driver, and it only takes a couple of taps through the settings to try a completely different look. Function number 6. 64 Color Ambient Lighting. Higher Sportage trims include ambient interior lighting with a wide range of selectable colors, adjustable through the settings menu. Most owners never open this menu and drive with the same default tone for years without knowing there's a full spectrum of options available, treating a genuinely customizable cabin feature as if it were fixed from the factory. Spending a minute in the vehicle settings to cycle through the color options adds a surprisingly noticeable personalization touch to the cabin every time the sun goes down, and it's one of the simplest ways to make a shared family vehicle feel a little more personal. Function number 7. Wireless charging pad placement. The wireless charging pad is positioned in a spot some owners overlook entirely, and even when found, phone case thickness or charging pad alignment can prevent a proper connection. Owners who assume the pad isn't working often give up and revert to a cable, missing out on the convenience altogether after just 1 or 2 failed attempts. Removing a thick case or repositioning the phone slightly on the pad usually resolves the issue, and it's worth testing directly after purchase rather than assuming the feature doesn't work, since a slight adjustment is often all it takes to get a reliable connection every time. Function number 8. Heated and ventilated rear seats. On the X Pro and higher trims, heated and sometimes ventilated seating extends to the rear row, not just the front seats most owners assume are the only ones equipped. Families who never realize this exists leave rear passengers uncomfortable in extreme weather, while the front seats stay perfectly climate-controlled, turning a genuinely premium feature into an afterthought nobody in the backseat ever benefits from. Checking the rear seat armrest or door panel for a heated seat control reveals whether the specific trim includes this feature, and it makes a real difference on long trips with passengers in the back, especially during a cold weather road trip with kids or grandparents riding along. Function number 9. Surround view monitor. Using cameras positioned around the vehicle, this system creates a simulated overhead view for parking in tight spaces. Drivers who rely only on the standard rear-view camera are missing a much clearer sense of exactly how close the Sportage sits to curbs, shopping carts, or the vehicle in the next spot, especially in the kind of crowded lot where a few inches make all the difference. It typically activates automatically at low speeds, or can be brought up manually through the camera icon on the touchscreen, and it becomes especially useful in crowded parking garages with narrow lanes where a single misjudged inch can mean a scraped bumper or a scratched door. Function number 10. Blind spot view monitor. When the turn signal is used on equipped trims, a live camera feed of that side of the Sportage appears directly in the instrument cluster. Owners who don't know this feature exists rely solely on mirrors and the standard blind spot warning chime, missing an extra layer of visual confirmation right when changing lanes, particularly at night when mirror glare makes the picture less reliable. It requires no setup and activates automatically the moment the signal is engaged, making it one of the easiest features to start relying on immediately, with essentially no learning curve involved. Function number 11. Smart cruise control with stop and go. This system allows the Sportage to slow to a full stop in traffic and resume automatically without driver input, provided the stop doesn't last too long. Drivers who only use cruise control on open highways miss out on meaningful fatigue reduction during daily stop-and-go commuting, which is exactly the kind of driving most people actually deal with on a normal weekday. Setting the following distance and speed through the steering wheel controls engages the system, and the car will chime for driver confirmation if a longer stop requires it before resuming, keeping the driver appropriately in the loop even while most of the tedious work is automated. Function number 12. Kia Connect Telematics. Beyond basic remote start, the Kia Connect platform offers vehicle health reports, maintenance alerts, and location tracking through the smartphone app. Owners who never explore beyond the remote start feature are missing a genuinely useful maintenance tool that flags issues before they turn into bigger, more expensive repairs, sometimes catching a problem weeks before a warning light would ever appear on the dash. Linking the app to the vehicle's VIN and periodically checking the vehicle health report keeps small problems from developing into costly ones down the road, and it's a habit worth building the same week the vehicle is purchased rather than months later. Function number 13. Bose Premium Sound System. Trims with the Bose upgrade include an equalizer specifically tuned for the Sportage cabin, with presets most owners never touch. Leaving the system on default settings means missing out on a noticeably richer sound experience the speakers are actually capable of delivering, essentially leaving a paid-for upgrade unused for the life of the vehicle. Adjusting bass, mid-range, and treble, or selecting a genre-specific preset through the audio settings menu unlocks a meaningfully better listening experience, especially when streaming music over Bluetooth, and it's worth revisiting after any software update since preferences can occasionally reset to default. Function number 14. Multi-air mode climate control. This climate setting circulates air toward both the upper body and feet simultaneously rather than a single vent zone, aiming for more even cabin comfort. Drivers who never activate this mode deal with unevenly distributed heating or cooling on longer drives, often adjusting vents manually instead of just switching the mode. Selecting multi-air mode through the climate control menu balances airflow throughout the cabin, and it's particularly noticeable during extreme temperature swings between morning and afternoon drives, when a single vent zone alone tends to leave part of the cabin lagging behind. Function number 15. Driver. Attention warning. Using steering pattern analysis, this system can detect signs of driver fatigue or distraction and issue an alert suggesting a break. Drivers unaware of this feature might dismiss the occasional chime without understanding what's actually triggering it, treating a genuine safety cue as just another random alert. Recognizing the alert for what it is, rather than ignoring it, and actually taking a short break when it appears is exactly the intended response the system is designed to prompt, particularly on long, monotonous highway stretches where fatigue creeps in gradually. Function number 16. Navigation-based curve speed adjustment. Working alongside Smart Cruise Control, this feature uses map data to anticipate upcoming curves and automatically ease off speed before the driver would normally react. Owners who never engage the full navigation-linked cruise system miss this subtle but genuinely useful safety margin on unfamiliar roads, especially winding routes where a driver has no prior sense of what's coming up ahead. It requires navigation to be actively running alongside cruise control, and it's most noticeable on winding rural highways where speed limits change frequently, offering a small but genuinely reassuring margin of extra reaction time. Function number 17. Rear occupant alert. An ultrasonic sensor in the headliner detects movement in the back seat after the vehicle is locked and can trigger a phone notification or the horn. Parents who don't know about this system rely purely on memory to check the back seat before walking away, which is exactly the kind of oversight that happens during a rushed or distracted morning. It requires no manual setup beyond the rear doors having been opened during the trip, and it works quietly every time the vehicle is parked, ready to catch exactly the kind of oversight it was built for, which is exactly the reassurance most parents don't realize they already have. Function number 18. X-Pro Off-Road Drive Modes. Beyond standard terrain settings, the X-Pro trim includes dedicated off-road drive modes with specific throttle and traction calibrations for rock, mud, sand, and snow. Owners who stick to the standard normal or eco-drive modes never get to experience what the X-Pro chassis and drivetrain were actually built to handle, essentially leaving the vehicle's most distinctive capability completely unused. Selecting the appropriate off-road mode before heading onto unpaved terrain adjusts the vehicle's behavior specifically for that surface, offering meaningfully more control than leaving it in an on-road setting. And it's the single biggest difference between an X-Pro that feels like any other Sportage and one that actually earns its name. Function number 19. Power Liftgate with Auto Close. The power liftgate on equipped trims can be set to automatically close after a set period, rather than requiring a manual button press every time. Owners who don't adjust this setting sometimes leave the liftgate open longer than intended, especially in bad weather or a rushed parking lot moment, letting rain or wind into the cargo area unnecessarily. Adjusting the auto-close timing and height memory through the liftgate settings menu means one less thing to manually manage every time the trunk is used, and it's especially convenient when hands are full of groceries or gear. Function number 20. Hidden under console storage. Tucked beneath the center console or floating armrest area on certain trims is additional hidden storage most owners never notice, perfect for a wallet, sunglasses, or loose cables. Drivers who don't know this space exists end up cluttering the visible cup holders and door pockets instead, when a cleaner, dedicated spot was sitting right there the whole time. A quick check under the console or behind the wireless charging pad reveals this extra space, giving the cabin a noticeably cleaner, less cluttered feel, especially useful for anyone who prefers keeping loose items out of sight. The bottom line: the Kia Sportage carries a lot more engineering than the average test drive ever reveals, and most of it goes unused simply because nobody points it out at delivery. From terrain modes on the X-Pro that turn a slushy driveway into a non-issue to a rear occupant alert quietly working in the background, these functions were built to make ownership safer, more comfortable, and genuinely more capable. Whether it's the ultra-wideband digital key that makes a fob feel outdated, the ambient lighting most owners never touch, or the navigation-linked cruise control smoothing out an unfamiliar highway, these are the details that separate an owner who just drives the Sportage from one who actually understands it. Take a few minutes this week and go through your own Sportage's settings menu, steering wheel controls, and connected app, because there's a real chance you've been driving a more capable vehicle than you ever realized, and most of what you'll find costs nothing to turn on. If this helped you get more out of your Sportage, subscribe for more videos just like it.